Test, test, test. Erwin's here. Nice. Brad's here. What's going on, Raymond? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Yes, sir. Brian, welcome. What's up? Erwin. James. James. I knew an Edward Zimmerman. Hello, Sally. Nice to see you. And my man Bill's here in the house. All right. I think we can get started. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. ProTrader Mike. Share my screen. All right. You see my screen? We're looking good? Yes, sir. All right. From Earn2Trade webinar today. Thanks to Earn2Trade for putting their name on it. That's about all they did. They were supposed to send out an email. Never did. He was supposed to come on here, introduce me. Never did. Know what I'm saying? I had a meeting with him the other day. The choice was 3:30 or 4:30 in the morning. So they're in another country. But I've known them for 3.5, 4 years, I think, since I've been doing this. They were one of the originals. And yeah. And I got an account with them about 8 days ago. I started because I haven't traded with them in a long time. And figured I'd give it another shot. They're a good community for education, and I'm all about education and training and coaching. So they liked it, and here we are today. So there's the disclaimer. If you put all your money into this stuff, you'll lose. If you have $1 million of piss money, you can do anything you want. Take some notes. Grab a pen. Take some notes. 9 bonuses at the end, including 2 giveaways. 2 futures 25K accounts going to give away today. And bonuses worth $5,000. 60 days from November 8th to January 8th. Write that down. I can get you a payout. That's the goal. To get coached and paid, stop trading alone. Trading alone is brutal. You don't got the Moj and the Discord and me talking on the mic, all the other traders in with me, all eyes on the level 2. It's very difficult, man. I've been trading for 13 years with Mojo, 30 years in all. Coached thousands of traders. My mission is to get you funded and paid. That's why I'm here on my Saturday. That's why you're here. Most of the people have already joined. Brian, already a student. Sally, Brad, William, Raymond, no. Somesh, no. Lulu, yes. David, yes. So there's not many of you in here that already aren't my students. Know what I mean? And yeah, just blow this up. So you're sick and tired of second guessing yourself, watching charts, indicators, trying this, trying that. It doesn't work. You repeat the same mistakes. No one holds you accountable, and you pay fees forever and you never get out of it, and you question your wherewithal. You have to have a plan. I trade with Earn2Trade, Prop Shop Trader, Take Profit Trader, Apex Trader Funding, Top Step, Fidius, Bull Knox, you name them. I've got an account with them. They're in my revolving door. Everyone's got a chance to get a payout all the time. And I keep track on this sheet, like Take Profit Trader. See, the risk is $400 on each of these accounts in the purple. My Earn2Trade account is 300, 500 on risk. Last week I did 345, 862, 395, 730, and 273 for 104,000 on my Earn2Trade account. Last week I did great on my take profits. I'm going to pay out of $844, netting 675. I averaged $569 a day on that account, and in 6 days, $166 on that account. And I just got another payout right here. This is my book that I keep my payouts. Look how those payouts. Top step was right here. See, I got paid from Wise, $708.87 from Top Step Trader on November 4th. See, this is my book of payouts. You wish you had payouts like this, right, guys? Look, look, look at all those fucking stacks of fucking pages. Goes right in there. And you have to buy one of these, hole punch. Got to buy the hole punch. Punch the holes in the payouts when they come so you can print them and keep track. Okay, and keep track. That's how I keep track on the sheet. I give you one of these sheets to keep track with in the toolbox. Here's my prop shop payouts every week. Look, just prop shop, 3,000 a week, 2,000 a week, Top Step 1,000 a week, Bull Knox 1,000 a week, Apex 1,000 a week, all of them 1,000 a week. All of a sudden you're making 20,000 a week. I got 110 payouts from Apex year to date, just from Apex. I'm the #1 coach and mentor. Go to their site on their tools page, and you'll see. You come right here to Apex Trader Funding. Just go right here. Apex Trader Funding, right? Come right here. And then you go to the tools page. I accept everything, dude. Tools, right here, and you scroll down. I'm the only coach on this website. Look, coaching, program helping traders with one-on-one coaching and mentoring. I'm recognized. I've got credibility. Patrick Weiland ain't up there. Matt by Trades ain't up there. Kellyanne ain't up there. Nobody up there but the Mosh. Okay? That's that. So I want to keep this tab open with these tabs. So I'm going to bring this over here. Thought I had that open, but I'm going to put that tab on there, and then I'm going to close this. And that's why my coaching matters, because I'm the freaking best. Okay? Let me show you one of my new students, Docarino in the Gambino. So here's the Mojo Day Trading Room. And in my show results channel, I did a search for Doc, and Doc started with me 28 results. So Doc started with me on the beginning. Nope. Let me scroll back. Doc started with me on 9/30, September 30th, about a month and a change ago. He is a disciple of my system. His first day, he had 3 accounts, and he did the 300 to 200 across them all. He loves it. Watch how much he really loves it. So what are we going to go here is the next day, his second day. Right here. Here's his second day. Okay? Here's day 3. Day 3. He's got an Apex and he's making money and he's practicing on the sim. See? It's working. See? Day 3. I can't wait until tomorrow. Day 4. Look at that. Day 5. It's got a PA up 389, killing it. Look, day 6. Now look at all his accounts doing the same thing. Okay. Look at that. He's got a runner, $180 micro runner. Good job, Doc. Doc on 10-9 1 month ago. Look at this. Now he's cranking it. Now he's building. PA, Apex, making the money. No more simulations. Look at that. Another great day on 10-10. Look at this. Oh, what was that? A 2-grander? Look at that on the sim, 2 grand. Look at this runner. A $520 micro runner. What's the biggest runner you guys have ever had, man? Not 520 bucks. No freaking way. No way. 10-14, another great day. 10-15, sick ass day. Look at this day. 10-16, fucking guy's a machine. Look at this. 10-17. Look at this. 10-18 every damn day. Look at this. 10-22. Wow, another. Look at this. 500s across the board. Look at this. Bam. Look at this. Bam. Look at this. P.S. Now he's got some gladiators making freaking coin. Another fine day. Dude, this could be you. Look, another fine day. And 11-6, another fine day. And that's how we do it in the Mojo room. That's how we do it, man. Those are the results, boys. So here's how you do it. Grab a pen. One account, start with 300 bucks, done. Do it for 20 days, make 6,000. Use that money for future accounts. That ain't working for you. You'll blow that account. You need 5 accounts. You make $300 a day is $1,500 a day, 30 G's a month. 30 G's. That's 3 of these. That's 3 of these. $10,000 chips. These are the beauties. These are the $1,000 chips. I add them to my chip stack. Okay? You want to get to 10 accounts, 300 a day. You're making 60,000 a month. Half of that, 150 a day, is 30,000 a month. You got to learn my system. It's a system based on positive expectancy that has repeatable results with real coaching. It's called the Hines and the Mini Hines trade play. I'll teach it to you in the course. It's amazing. You trade with positive expectancy. You do cash and grabs, always holding a core 1 micro runner. I show you how to do that in the course in my coaching. Your job, I'll show you after I hire you, is to show you how to trade in the green. So you add into the winners and you trade in the green. I have real-time coaching group every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for the beginning guys, and one-on-one coaching afterwards. You're going to do the 5 micro challenge, because with 5 micros, write this down, you can lose $1,000 easily in one day. So if you could make $1,000 and you can lose 1,000, you could make 300. Easy. Trade your P&L, not what you think the market's going to do. If you're down 100, you're down a freaking 100. You're wrong, dude. You're wrong. Better figure out how much you're going to lose to get out of that. You're losing 1-to-1. ATM strategies don't work. I'm better than an ATM strategy. I see it with my eyes. How much I want to make? $150, $200? I'm not going to lose more than $150 to $200. The max I'll lose, if I want to make $200, is $400. $100 profit, $100 loss. $100 profit or $150 loss, or the max $100 profit to lose $200. It's the freaking worst. 1 to 3 micros, you'll do 70% of the time. 1 to 5 micros, you'll do 30% of your trades. I'll show you how to do it. The system's based on positive expectancy. I have trade plays called the Hines, the mini hinds, the wow, the rail grind. It's a $1.50 roll with the NASDAQ price and the price of my edge indicator. You become the candle. You cash and grab. I show you how to do that in the course and in the Discord and in the training. You have 3 trade scenarios that you must master. The trade's going to work in your favor. You're a hero. You're a champion. Great job. The trade goes against you. Oh, so you don't want that to happen. It does nothing. Is it going to go up? Going to go down? You don't know. Either way, it's going to go in your favor, going to go against you, do nothing. There's no other things that can happen. So what do you want to do? I want to make at least, with 10 accounts, $200 a day. I want to make $2,000 a day. How much you want to make a day? That's 600,000, $500,000 a year. That's good. Good start. That's a business. It's a business. Get it up to 4,000 a day. You're making $1 million. What do you guys want to make? Tell me. Tell me. 1,000. Dave wants to make $1 million. I know you will, Dave. I know you will. Sally wants to make 1,000 a day. You better have 10 accounts and make $100 each. 500 a day and scaling quickly. Okay, you're there, William. $200 on 10 accounts. Yeah, Brian, that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. So Earn2Trade has these accounts, a 50K account, the gauntlet. I have the 100. I got the 100K right here. Just because the daily loss limit on the 50 is 1,100, and I hate that, even though you can lose 2 grand. 100K is the best. I've screwed up the 50, the 150, and it's the 100 I think is the best. That's the one I got after all my calculations. You choose your account side, you trade for 10 days, and then you're done. Once you're on the program, beautiful. This is the TCP. I'm giving away 2 of these today. You start at 25,000, you move up to 50,000, and then you get 100,000. It's not the gauntlet. It's the trader career path. You start with 25, you could move all the way up to 400,000. It's $60. I'm including 1 account in the bundle when you purchase today. So you are going to get, with your purchase, a 25K account worth $60. Write that down. You're going to get 2 months of the Mojo chat room to trade live with me. The chat room membership after your 2 months is $149 a month. You ain't getting payouts, you'll be gone. You're getting payouts and you dig in the Moj, like all the guys that are in here right now supporting me, you'll be paying the $149. And you ain't paying the $149. You're tipping the dealer. You sit at the table with me. I don't win the pot, but you win all the chips. If I don't see you throw a chip to the dealer and say thank you to his time and what he does, because he works on donations for helping you, you're an idiot. So after 2 months, if you ain't making payouts, you're gone. But if you are, you'll be paying as a donation and a tip to the dealer $149 a month, because that's $300 I'm giving you out of my pocket. My coaching, there's no price to it. My time, I log into your computer. I'm going to show you how to press the button. You're going to see a profit being booked. You're going to be like, holy, that really happened? I'm going to say, yep, I'll do it again. And I'll even do it again. Now, guess what? It's your turn. Press the button. And guess what? You'll mess it up. But I'll say, guess what? You press the wrong button. It's okay. This button's to sell short. This button's to buy to cover. Ah, that button's to buy long. That button's to sell for a profit. Ah, okay. I get you all going. My remote coaching, nobody does it. Patrick Wyland ain't logging into your computer, giving you an hour of his time for the cost that he $25,000 he will, but not the cost that I'm going to give to you. And the money you're saving with me today is to fund those 10 accounts, because I could charge you whatever I want, and the money you don't save could have gone to fund your accounts and your business. Nobody does it that way. So I've been recognized. I'm on the Apex site, as I told you. I'm going to include 2 one-on-one coaching sessions. It's worth $200. However long it takes. Some people take longer than others. But that's included in the bundle today. I'm going to take, and these are my students, a lot of them are in here. I take 10 each time. I can handle that. 10 each time. And Somesh says, like an idiot, this guy in the chat, like an idiot, how many giveaway accounts today? So he's here not even to become a career trader or do anything. He's here to get a giveaway. Loser. Loser. What a putz, right? What a putz. Idiot. What an idiot. Anyway, coaching enhances your ability to learn. And if you win, I'm not giving it to you, Samesh. All your Mojo University questions, your entire workstation setup, and your success is guaranteed if you join with me. I'm giving you my DOS Trader subscription that I pay for, that you get to watch with me in the Mojo room, that costs $300. $300 I pay. Everything happens in Mojo University Teachable. That's where the courses are. Here's Mojo University right here. Mojo University right here. Got Teachable. Look, everyone has my thing. Let me put it in here. I don't want to go to the other page because it has the thing, but we'll just skip that. That's fine. That's the site. Everyone leaves testimonials. When you join and you watch a course, you leave a comment under the course. Included in the bundle is my level 2 video. You must watch this first before the course. It tells you what a golf club is before you go hit a golf club. You better understand what it's made of. That's what it tells. That's the deal right there. Learn how market makers work. It's my best-selling video for 13 years. Okay? And in the room, I have all the level 2s that I share with you in the room. You get the toolbox. The toolbox is incredible. That's $1,000 value right there. In the toolbox are all these new lessons and coaching classes and passing an evaluation in 10 minutes, my DOS Trader layout, understanding the rules, new coaching lessons I did in March, October. These are all must-watch videos in the toolbox. All these videos you gotta watch. The greatest clips, the greatest trading. It shows you exactly how to do it. You learn how to trade on the Super Dom. It's amazing. I teach it all in the course. Trading and evaluation versus trading your PA account. Night and day. You got to know that. You don't know that, you're never, ever, ever going to make it as a trader. You better join today. You get my 4-hour video course, which after you watch the level 2 video, you watch this course, then you go into the toolbox and watch the videos, then you get the coaching. It's that simple. The course I've charged for 13 years, $1,500. Am I charging you $1,500 today? I could, but I'm not. It's giveaway time. So I have right here a name picker with all the names, and we're going to give away an Earn2Trade giveaway. We got 2 winners, 2 substitutes. Let me just make sure there's nothing there. Brand identity, animation, logo, delete, confirm, start, done. Who's going to win the 2 accounts? Thanks, Dave. RMNM, which is Ron, and Shandol 669. Great job. Done. Done. Ron and Shandol. Who's Shandol? It's not Somesh. Ray, you came in second. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Congrats to the winners. Listen, the challenge for you that you're here today is to do the Mojo Challenge. Learn my system. That's number 1. Then learn the correlation that gives you the trading edge with the ladder and SQQ and MNQ inverse, or using the SPY and ES in correlation. No, there's no sign up yet. I'll give you the link at the end to join. If you want to join, Raymond, you'll be ProTrader Raymond. No problem. You learn how to trade off the DOM, and you learn the risk management. You get coached by me. You'll trade, Ray, your 50K eval. You'll learn DOM trading. You'll learn what a Pac-Man trade is. You'll trade profitable on the sim for a day, and then you'll switch to your eval. Experience the excitement with me in the Mojo Day Trading Room, where you'll join the community. There's an application process, and I'll approve it for you once you join and come in. Step 4 is you pass your evaluation and start trading your PA and start your payout process. You give me 60 days, I will have your payouts flowing in. This is what you get for $4,500. You're going to get a $60 25K evaluation that's real, 2 one-on-one coaching sessions, 3 weekly group coaching sessions, 2 chat room month membership, my understanding level 2 video, 2 months of the DOS Trader access, my futures masterclass, and the toolbox is $4,500. Okay? If you join today, I'm going to give you the link. You're joining more than the Moj. You're freaking joining. Let me show you the page. Everyone's on the same mission as you, man. Don't let nothing hold you back. You know what you need, Ray, is a good deal. You're not going to pay $5,000. How about $399, boss? 90% off. Boom. There you go. Click that link right there. takes you right there. Mojo Trader's Edge bundle. You also could do Klarna and Afterpay. Okay? Check it out. Let me show you. So you got that. And you can do it for 6 payments to 12 payments, $69 to $35, or $3.99 right out. Dude, it's the Freedom Bundle. Get your freaking edge going, man. You'll win like the doc every day, dude. I'm not setting you up to freaking show me losers and shit. I'll punish you. Kush can only trade in the afternoons from 11. Dude, if you would have been here at the end of the day and in the Mojo room with me at those times, 11 a.m., dude, oh my gosh, dude. And the it was, oh my gosh, OMG, so what's holding you back? Here we go. You get everything for $3.99. Saving $4 grand. You get to put that money into your business and get your accounts. I could have charged you $1,400 with the payment plan. Instead of taking the $1,000 in my pocket, I'm giving it back to you so you can go, when we speak and coach, go buy your business and your accounts. 5 with Apex, 3 with Take Profit Trader, 2 with Top Step, 2 with Bull Knox, and 2 with Earn2Trade. Dude, that's what it is, man. The link's in the chat, man. Go join. You got 5 minutes. I hope you join. It's $3.99. It's the best deal you've ever done, dude. Promise you that. Got 5 minutes. And in those times, you could do nothing and risk nothing. But I'm also giving you, for the $3.99, a $60 account. So it's really like $300. Telling you. Stop holding back, man. FOMO. Don't fear of miss out on this. This is the break your life needs. You're going to find one person in the world that's going to do it for you. Everyone else is going to promise and fail. You found the guy. I'm your guy. Don't let nothing hold you back. You're getting $5 grand of my value. You're going to be able to join the Mojo room right now. Put your trader name in, ProTrader, whatever your name is going to be after you sign up and you're done. You're going to be trading in 2 days, not 2 months. That's it. Anybody got any questions? Beautiful little webinar. Beautiful little webinar. Anybody got any questions? Write them on in there. Dave works 23. This works 23 hours a day, but the morning US session is the best time to trade. Correct. Dave says, Kush, Mike's awesome. I would highly recommend. Well, thank you, boys. So that's me. Thank you for listening. Here's my email, Mojo University Teachable, Mojo Day Trading at Gmail, and thank you very, very much for attending. Appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, William. I'll see you another time. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you, Earn2Trade, for not promoting the webinar and me having 90% of my own people in here. But it's cool. I enjoyed seeing you, Ron and William, and all you other guys. See you Monday, Coach. Peace. Thanks, everybody. Send me here's my email, mojodaytrading@gmail.com. If you can't get in or have any problem with purchasing, send me a message and I'll get you all going. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great, great rest of your weekend. Bye.